Well, let's talk a little bit about where iBase-t fits and your unique value proposition. Like we covered the four big areas of manufacturing. So where do you fit?
Yeah. So we really fit at the point of execution. That's why we call it a manufacturing execution system. Even when we talk about MRO, it's an execution, like maintenance, repair, and overhaul execution system. Too many acronyms, so we just say MRO or MRO execution.
It is an acronym world.
And so that's really where we play, right? And, you think about these businesses, again, they have big engineering departments, lots of tools, lots of ways to design products. You have ERPs, which, these are business systems really managing the resourcing and logistics to get the parts and pieces to the products. But then with us, we're how it gets done, right? So, and who is going to do it, who and how, right? We're the ones really managing that on that execution layer. And that's also the evidence layer, right? So because you're building these very complicated project or products, you have to make sure you capture all that information, but also you have to prove it, right? You got to prove it to the FAA and say, hey, this is airworthy and we did everything we said we would, because, you don't want engines, failing in midair or flights, or aircrafts or airframes, breaking, right?